Okay, following up on that theme about cloud-ready networking and these branch locations getting to the cloud, it's that concept of split tunneling. Obviously, to go to the internet, you need to secure it. Can you tell us a little about the security aspects of this whole new architecture paradigm?
I believe as we move to a cloud-ready network, split tunnels will become the norm. And just for background's sake, a split tunnel is when you have a single connection and you split it into two or more paths. And the concept would be that all my cloud traffic will go down one path out direct to the internet, and all my private traffic would go down the other path. Now, one of the requirements of a split tunnel, of course, is that if I have a direct internet connection, I need to secure that point. Historically, we secured our ingress-egress points with a dedicated firewall. And this thing would be a very expensive box that I have a whole separate management team with. And that may work fine when I have a single connection coming into my core or my company headquarters. It's not going to work very well in a branch office where all I've got maybe is a local administrator. So I think one of the key criteria for split tunneling is that the network device that's in there actually have security capabilities built into that. I think one of the things to look at when you some of these security devices is how the security is done. I know the networking industry has gone crazy lately for software-based platforms, and I think software certainly has its place, and I would recommend that you do as much as you can in software because of the flexibility you get. However, if you want something done at wire speed, especially an application like security, which is extremely computationally intensive, that type of application is best done not just in hardware, but actually in silicon. And so that's a very, very important decision point for IT leaders and decision makers to think about. How you power that split tunnel has to have the right level of security to protect the business.